This isn't Gary's cooking class.
I've tried to put together all the different types of cooking we did while we were away, and we'll start off with the BBQ.
Good morning. This is Gary's cooking show. I'm just going to make some homemade sausage rolls. So I've got the sausage mince in there. I'm just doing the onions. I've got some Worcestershire sauce there to go in. I've got to get the curry out, which is up here, and some tomato sauce that's somewhere, and then I mix it all together, and then it's all done. Probably cook it in the barbecue, so we'll see how we go. I'll show you the end result. Oh, no, oops, breadcrumbs. So I've put in some tomato sauce, Worcestershire sauce, mixed herbs, bit of curry, only a little bit of curry, and I'm putting in some panko crumbs. This is my own mixture, and you mix it in very well. Good old Gaz's sausage rolls. A few people like them, so I keep making them for them. Makes them
more than a few people. Our kids and all our friends love your sausage rolls.
Puts a smile on the dial, and I enjoy making them. So, but they're only little bite size. They're real little ones. Yeah. So I mix it up until it doesn't stick to my hands, and when it doesn't stick to my hands, we're right to go. Just got the sheets of pastry out. And I'll just sit them on the boards here, let them thaw out, and then off we go. We start rolling. Okay, so I've made the little sausage rolls. As you can see how small they are, but everyone's different the way they want it. I like them bite size. I'm just going to chuck some yellow egg on it, and that'll help it do something in the barbecue. Probably brown it or something. Is that right?
You're cooking, you should know.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
You're meant to be telling everyone else.
Yeah, I am. I'm telling them. Yeah. So I don't know how long they'll take in the BBQ, because I've done it once when we were at Robe, and I don't know. I can't remember how long, but anyway. But with the magical of video, it'll be ready in 2 seconds. Well, here's some of my sausage rolls. Oh, some of them are burnt on the bottom, but it can't be helped. But they're all cooked, ready to get into. Cheers.
I reckon that's what you call success. Still there, looking at my view, under the awning, eating those homemade sausage rolls. Thanks, Gary.
So here we are, still at Ason's Reserve. We've just got the induction cooker out. It's going to be our first go at this, and there'll be more videos to come.
So the beauty thing about using the induction cooking is that we're not using the gas all the time, so we can stay out doing the free camping longer. Anyway, we'll see how it drains on the battery system, and we will go from there.
Go.
We've decided we're going to try this induction cooking. This is our very first time, so we'll just heat up some oil here. Oh, how's that? You take it off the thing. Not done this before. We're doing a chicken curry tonight. I don't think we're level, Gary, because it's going down a bit, but that's okay. We'll worry about that later. So, see how it goes.
I cut the chicken up, you couldn't get it any better than that.
Oh my God. good, it sounds good. I'll just go and get the lid. I'll just add some veggies. I've got it on number 4. Don't know how that's going to go. I'll add some veg. Some onions and veggies to that. Flies have got really bad all of a sudden. I smell bloody good already. And then we might put some of this in.
And what's that, dal?
This is continental creamy chicken curry, dal.
Oh. Magnificent.
And once I've got it all together, I'll turn it down and put it on a simmer. Just added some coconut cream, mix that all in together. But now I need to probably just simmer that for a little while so we don't boil it.
You've got to get the carrots soft and...
Yeah, because Gary doesn't like his carrots crunchy, he likes his soft. Alright.
Magnificent.
Yep.
This isn't Gary's cooking class.
Why not, Gary?
Because I'm not cooking it.
Oh, so it doesn't go in that
I
carrot?
would have cooked it different. But she hasn't done a bad job.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah.
Look, you better say nice words, otherwise you won't get to eat it.
It's okay. I'll have bread and dripping for tea. Right.
So she's done now. We've just turned it off. We're going to go inside and have it because there's too many flies out here at the moment. But it's looking good. And here she is. How good does that look? I'm making Singapore noodles tonight. Again, using the induction cooker. I've just got it on the lowest setting at the moment. Just that one there. Just while the veggies soften up. There they are. And then I've boiled the kettle. I'll put them in the noodles, soften the noodles. Put some chicken in that, and it's going to be amazing. And he's going to eat some of it.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
And chicken yesterday.
Bit of salmonella.
It's not. I'll be cutting that out. I don't think that's funny.
What are you doing now, love?
Just give it a stir, down.
What do you call this, love?
Singapore noodles, down. Tell the noodle shop they're dreaming. Alright. So I've just popped the noodles in there. Look. How good's that? Singapore noodles. Looking beautiful. Just give that 5 minutes. And our tea is ready. The induction cooker was fantastic. We'll definitely keep that in the caravan. Didn't drain on the system whatsoever. And it was great cooking outside. We also used the air fryer, but I didn't record any things because an air fryer is just an air fryer. But there's a picture of our crumb chicken with our salad. And the other thing that we did was jaffles on the campfire. We are eating leftover Singapore noodles in jaffles. Oh my goodness. How good do they taste? They are the ants' pants. We're totally happy with our experimentation with all the different cooking methods, it all worked out. Definitely be taking the air fryer if we went away on a big trip, and the induction's definitely staying in the caravan. And obviously we've done jaffles before, but they were amazing, putting different fillings in them. So look, thanks for watching everyone, and this is not a cooking show, it's just how we did it. I hope you enjoyed it, and here's till next time. Bye.
Just the two of us.